Hello, I am gonna go over my week 10 homework assignment. I am built like the outline to a website that I've had in mind. I'm just gonna fix this. Let's see here. So I started with making the body a container. I input my bootstrap up here, the CSS, and then down below I put my script for my JavaScript, my bootstrap, and my jQuery. But I started with the Jumbotron, which has basically the website information, the title, and just like an explanation of what it is. And then I created a button for submissions, and then that submission actually opens up a modal. So it prompts the user to input text, and then that text is going to be displayed on the page with JavaScript, which I did here. So I targeted the DOM and created new variables based upon what I wanted to manipulate. And then I created this function to submit text, which will basically take the text and put it in the bottom half of the website, where all the submissions will rest. And then I basically put, so on click, this function is gonna take place, the create submission item, and it creates a div for each item that has a border, it has some padding, a margin bottom, and a margin top, based upon the submission. And I made it, I wanted to kind of like compartmentalize it, so I put, I set paragraph tags as well in there that will generate when a new submission is created. And let's see, I wanted to put a divider too, because it was just kind of like the text was just floating there, so I put this divider in each text box. But let's open it up and take a look at it. Let's see, so this is basically the page, and I created this here. This opens the modal, and it basically has a prompt of, basically it'll give you a prompt each day. I'm still like figuring out how I'm gonna like do this on a grander scale, but it prompts you with a writing prompt. So this one is write a prompt about when you felt at ease. So I'm gonna say I felt at ease playing by the pool, and when we submit, it ends up in this field here. We can do another one. I'm still working out how to have it clear, and how to close the modal on the submission. Let's see. I was taking a walk, and I finished my code. Obviously, like in practice, this is meant to be like a little deeper than just these like simple sentences, but it is a start, and I want to eventually turn this into something where you can sign up for it, but all of it is anonymous, so it'll kind of encourage people to write, and after a day or two, the submissions will all be deleted. So I don't know, it's just like a journaling practice that I think could be helpful and useful for people. But that is my work for the week. I'm gonna continue on this idea but this is a start.